आत्मज्ञानारंभम। ग्रंथै निरुक्तं जनसर्वग्राह्यं। People just believe in whatever is stated in the scripts, whatever is written in the books, without cross-checking. They blindly accept that something is written in a book, that means it has to be true. Why? Because people love to choose being blind followers. Gruhitametad anucharitayam. Such people not just believe in whatever is written in the scriptures or books, but they also blindly follow whatever is stated in it. Even if there are rules, even if there are anything related to life and behavior or spirituality, everything. If something is written in a book, that means it is ultimate. So it has to be followed according to such people. This habit of following blindly whatever is written in a book or religious scripture is not just seen in India, it is seen globally. And maybe that is the reason why people religiously read the religious scripts, follow the stories of some kind of religious masters, and take everything to be true without checking whether it had actually happened or not. And unfortunately, this habit of humanity is responsible for the miseries of humanity. And here we are going to discuss exactly that, because once we know the cause of our miseries, we will be very easily able to remove that cause and make our life happy. Now, from the next video onwards, we will be actually seeing how people get caught into the so-called trap of spirituality or morality or rules or whatever it is, and put their own selves into tremendous miseries, and how one must know oneself properly and easily come out of various traps laid down by different selfish so-called spiritual traitors. I am calling them as spiritual traitors. I am calling such people as social traitors, because when people are trapped into certain thinking pattern, people go through tremendous miseries. But the people who are trapping such people, groups who are trapping such people, they get tremendous benefits out of it. And this has been happening for years and years and years, and I am making a very small and humble effort to help the humanity come out of it. And that is the reason why I have a very humble request to you, that if you really want to know how we can be happy, that means if you really want to know the secret of total ultimate happiness, and of course the same secret is also the secret of enlightenment, the ultimate spiritual goal. But enlightenment is not the end of spirituality. It is a beginning of spirituality, and it is a beginning of enriched practical life in the society. So, for every human being who wants to be happy, healthy, successful in life and lead a full life, it is necessary that one must know these things, and that is why I am humbly requesting you to immediately subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification button so that all my future videos, you will get the notification of them and you will be able to watch them, and you will be able to transform your life, because it is a wonderful opportunity for you to transform your life. So why not take it? Okay, so if you have not subscribed, just subscribe right away. Bye bye, and let's meet in the next video tomorrow. Bye.